Hello, my dear ethical hackers, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how we can research the history of a website. What if you are searching for something that has been modified on the website? You saw something yesterday, or maybe you saw something on that website last week, and now they have made the changes. Now, what if you want to go back? What if you want to travel in time and you want to see what that website was looking like 1 week ago? Let me tell you, time travel is possible using a tool called archive.org. Archive.org is the internet archive that keeps a record of the websites as they were. This is called the Wayback machine, and it allows us to visit the archived versions of web pages over time. So it is very useful for research and historical analysis. If you are a historian and you are studying the evolution of a major news website, you can go to archive.org and you can review how its content and designs have changed. Or maybe you can go for content recovery that we talked about a few minutes ago. If a website that you relied on has been deleted or has been altered, you can retrieve the older content. For example, there was a critical research article or data that has been removed from a website, or maybe it could be a cyber fraud. Somebody wrote something from the website, and now they are backing out of that claim. So you can go back to the previous version and you can prove that this was there. And there are many such applications. In fact, it is said that whenever you put something on the internet, it is never deleted. Using this digital online library, you can literally get anything. We can get texts, we can get audio recordings, videos, images, software, old books, old movies, music, historical documents, you name it, and it will be available on this particular platform. So let's jump into archive.org and see what it is capable of doing. So let's type in archive.org, and this is the Internet Archive. And you can just go and take a look at how the world was looking in those days. You can go and check out the books, videos, the audios, the software that you have been searching for, the images that you wanted to find, and even websites. Let's take a look at the website and let's see if we can travel backwards in time. So we'll check out a website like timesofindia.com. Let's just go and search for Times of India website, and it is timesofindia.indiatimes.com. Let us go and travel back in time and see the news as Times of India covered a few weeks or a few months or a few years ago. So again, we are in 2024, and that's where we are right now. Let's travel back in time. Let's say I want to see what the news was like in the year 2012. We go to 2012. We select a particular time. I'm randomly selecting a date and for time. Let's take a look at this one. So this is the latest Times of India, the website as it looks right now. That is on the 10th of September 2024. And now here I am traveling backwards in time, looking at the website as it looked on the 23rd of April 2012. That's the date, and this was how the website looked on that particular date. You can travel back in time all the way till the inception of the website. Let's travel back in time. Let's go to this particular time. And that's how the website looked on the 1st of October 2001. This is how the website looked on that particular day. So this is how you can travel back in time and you can research virtually anything. Now this tool is banned for obvious reasons in many countries, because this can also be used to gather information about softwares, download movies and videos. So that is why this particular tool is banned, but you can use it a lot for research purposes. That's all for this video, guys. See you in the next video.